Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you a video from the West Coast where I explore an abandoned hydroelectric power station with a history as turbulent as the river it once harnessed. Let's dive in. The Jordan River Hydroelectric Plant, located on Vancouver Island, was built in 1911 and for decades stood as one of the largest power generators in Western Canada. It powered the South Island communities, but in 2016 it was finally decommissioned due to fears of seismic activity, leaving this once mighty structure in a state of eerie decay. Today, the plant is a canvas for some fascinating graffiti art, a sort of accidental gallery that adds a vibrant twist to its industrial corpse. But this place isn't just known for its art. The surrounding area was largely vacated due to the ever-present threat of earthquakes, particularly the fear Jordan River diversion dam could rupture, posing danger to the community. The plant sits along the Cascadia subduction zone, a 960-kilometer fault line stretching from Northern California to northern Vancouver Island, where the Pacific and Juan de Fuca plates converge. If you are from the West Coast, you've probably heard about how we're overdue for the big one being a massive earthquake that geologists have been anticipating for years now. The last major earthquake struck about 324 years ago in 1700, well before European settlement of Vancouver Island. Remarkably, this event is remembered in First Nations oral traditions and even in Japanese records as the Orphan Tsunami, known in Japanese as the Minashigo Genroku Tsunami, a ghostly wave that crossed the Pacific and struck the coast of Japan. It's even said that a ghost tsunami swallowed a village whole in the dead of the night, leaving behind chilling tales of nature's raw power. As for the surrounding region, the First Nations people referred to the land as Ditidat, which means drifted ashore. According to their oral stories, a great flood once devastated and displaced the local villages. The tradition speaks of waters rising so rapidly that they engulfed entire communities and transformed the landscape. It's a haunting reminder of how interconnected the Pacific Northwest and Asia-Pacific regions are, both geographically and through shared experiences of natural disasters. As we walk through the plant, you'll notice that its architecture is a relic of the early 20th century industrial era. Look at these expansive interiors and high ceilings. They were designed to house enormous turbines and generators with ventilation and heat dissipation. It's a stark contrast to modern power plants, which are compact and meticulously designed to maximize every inch of space. And they house much smaller, more efficient equipment. I also found a lower level of the plant that was completely pitch black. I was planning to explore it, but then something strange happened. Both my camera light and my flashlight that were fully charged suddenly and inexplicably failed. Maybe it's a sign to leave that part of the plant to another person to explore. So as I made my way around to the back of the building, I thought I saw something moving in the bushes. For a moment, I could have sworn I saw a face staring back at me through the leaves. It was barely visible, almost like a shadow, but it felt like it was watching me. I tried to focus, but the harder I looked, the more it seemed to disappear. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more abandoned explorations and just general observations of living between countries.